100 fruits name in English. Mango, apple, banana, watermelon, muskmelon, pomegranate, guava, papaya, grapes, sapodilla, custard apple, pineapple, coconut, jamun, mulberry, jackfruit, pumpkin, orange, strawberry, tamarind, Pithecolobium dulls, jujube, lemon, sweet lemon, ice apple, kiwi, dragon fruit, avocado, cherry, fig, raspberry, blueberry, barberry, gooseberry, star gooseberry, acai berry, honeyberry, pineberry, cranberry, apricot, peach, pear, starfruit, wood apple, cashew apple, star apple, Malay apple, lychee or lychee, blackcurrant, blood orange, pomelo, passion fruit, plum, persimmon, prickly pear, water chestnut, water caltrop, red bananas, cherry moya, breadfruit, durian, damson, fejo, jabuticaba, kivano, kumquat, longan, loquat, quince, mangosteen, medlar, mimosauce, nans, rambutan, redcurrant, salak, sawsop, Suriname cherry, tamarillo, grapefruit, jicama fruit, kadamba fruit, mandarin fruit, miracle fruit, olive fruit, shaddock fruit, ugly fruit, purple akebi, pawpaws, pink guava, rose apple, pepino melon, Barbados cherry, canistel, maprang, date, lime, Cafe line. Babako. Please like, share, comment. 45 nuts name in English. Almonds. Cashews. Pistachio. Peanuts. Hazelnuts. Walnuts. Nutmeg. Dry fig. Brazil nuts. Dry dates. Golden raisins. Black raisins. Dried coconut. Pecans. Dried apricots. Sacha inchi. Cacao nuts. Acorns. Betel nuts. Chestnut. Macadamia nuts. Corn nuts. Bread nuts. Pine nuts. Pili nuts. Soy nuts. Tiger nuts. Charoli nuts. Kola nuts. Malabar chestnuts. Baru nuts. Hickory nuts. Mangongo nuts. Banya nuts. Candle nuts. Ginkgo nuts. Paradise nuts. Lotus nuts. Beech nuts. Prunes. Fox nuts. Egusi nuts. Pumpkin seeds. Sunflower seeds. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. 80 leafy vegetables name in English. Coriander leaves. Celery. Curry leaves. Mint leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Dill leaves. Sorrel. Rosal leaves. Green chickpeas leaves. Purslane. Drumsticks greens. Colocasia leaves. Spring onion. Garlic leaves. Wild garlic leaves. Leek. Sweet basil. Red basil. Purple dead nettle. Beet greens. Radish greens. Turnip greens. Daikon greens. Amaranth. Red amaranth. Kale. Dinosaur kale. Purple kale. Garden dress. Pea shoots. Cabbage. Radicchio. Iceberg. Bok choy. Napa cabbage. Lettuce. Mijuna lettuce. Purple Mijuna lettuce. Romaine. Belgian endive lettuce. Oak leaf lettuce. Watercress. Dandelion greens. Batavia. Arugula. Curly endive. Spinach. Malabar spinach. water spinach, Swiss chard, red chard, collard greens, rapini, pomastuna, mustard greens, fish mint, butterhead, tatsoi, rhubarb, red lola rosa, green lola rosa, parsley, chicory leaves, rosemary, asparagus, centella, golden samphire, thyme, march, artichoke, tamarind leaves, perilla, katuk, stinging nettle, sunsunia, fennel greens, punarnava, fiddlehead greens, grapes leaf, jute leaves. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. 50 root vegetable names in English. Onion, yellow onion, sweet onion, white onion, shallot, pearl onion, potato, baby potato, purple potato, Chinese potato, garlic, black garlic, ginger, turmeric, galangal, carrot, parsnips, parsley root, sugar beet, aracacha, beet, daikon, radish, horseradish, turnip, celery root, kohlrabi, jicama, maca, black maca, sweet potato, red sweet potato, purple sweet potato, yam, purple yam, elephant foot yam, cassava, taro root, wasbi root, lotus root, water chestnut, tapioca, black salsify, burdock root, rutabaga, fennel root. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tomato, potato, onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, coriander, curry leaves, mint, cucumber, carrot, daikon, beetroot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, pumpkin, corn, brinjal, chili, capsicum, okra, cluster beans, green beans, dolichos beans, peas, rich gourd, bottle gourd, apple gourd, bitter gourd, snake gourd, pointed gourd, sponge gourd, drumsticks, spring onion, garlic leaves, spinach, fenugreek, dill, green sorrel, rosal leaves, chickpeas leaves, purslane greens, moringa, colocasia leaf, amaranth, red amaranth, chickpeas, cauliflower, cabbage, iceberg lettuce, broccoli, mushrooms, avocado, celery, leek, kale, radicchio, Swiss chard, butterhead, rosemary, asparagus, centella, artichoke, kohlrabi, fennel root, purple cauliflower. Like, share and subscribe.